Hi there and welcome. We're thrilled to have you join us for this exciting journey. And let's dive into the top 10 amazing places in the Netherlands. Next up, we have the breathtaking Keukenhof Gardens. Known as the Garden of Europe, this place is a floral paradise. Imagine a 5-minute video about the top 10 amazing places in the Netherlands, and you'll get a sense of the beauty and wonder that awaits you here. Moving on, we arrive at the iconic Rijksmuseum. Home to masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and other Dutch masters, this museum is a treasure trove of art and history. And hey, make the background music inspiring. It really enhances the experience. Finally, let's explore the enchanting canals of Amsterdam. These historic waterways are the lifeblood of the city, offering picturesque views and a unique way to experience Amsterdam's charm. Settings. It's all about getting the ambiance just right. Nestled in the heart of the Netherlands, Hoge Veluwe National Park is a true gem. Here you can explore diverse landscapes, from dense forests to sprawling heathlands. It's also home to the famous Kröller-Müller Museum, which boasts an impressive collection of Van Gogh paintings. Whether you're cycling through its scenic paths or simply soaking in the natural beauty, Hoge Veluwe offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Kinderdijk is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its iconic windmills. These 19 windmills, built in the 18th century, are a testament to Dutch ingenuity in water management. Visitors can take a boat ride along the canals, walk the picturesque paths, and even step inside a windmill to see how it operates. It's a perfect spot to learn about the Netherlands' rich history and its ongoing battle with water. Zaanse Schans offers a delightful glimpse into the Netherlands' past. This open-air museum features traditional Dutch houses, working windmills, and artisan workshops. You can watch craftsmen at work, making cheese, clogs, and other traditional goods. It's like stepping back in time with the sights, sounds, and smells of a bygone era. A visit to Zaanse Schans is a charming and educational experience for all ages. The Delta Works is an engineering marvel designed to protect the Netherlands from the sea. Often referred to as one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, it's a series of dams, sluices, locks, dikes, and storm surge barriers. This massive project showcases the Dutch expertise in water management, ensuring safety and sustainability for future generations. The Anne Frank House in Amsterdam is a poignant reminder of the atrocities of World War II. This museum preserves the secret annex where Anne Frank wrote her famous diary while hiding from the Nazis. Visiting this historic site offers a powerful emotional experience, providing insight into the resilience and courage of those who lived through such dark times. The windmills of Kinderdijk are an iconic symbol of Dutch heritage and ingenuity. With 19 beautifully preserved windmills, this UNESCO World Heritage Site illustrates the Netherlands' long-standing battle with water. These windmills, dating back to the 18th century, are still operational today, serving as a testament to the enduring spirit of Dutch innovation. From the bustling streets of Amsterdam to the serene landscapes of Kinderdijk, the Netherlands offers a diverse array of experiences. Each destination tells a story of resilience, creativity, and a deep connection to the natural world. We hope this journey through the top 10 amazing places in the Netherlands has inspired you to explore and discover the rich history and vibrant culture of this remarkable country.